Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Pulse here with the PeakBot team. I am your co-host, Dillon, joined by Ben and Thomas. Gentlemen, how we doing?
I'm doing
Good.
good.
Happy Friday.
Happy Friday.
Yeah.
How are you doing, Dillon?
Thanks for asking, Thomas. It's been a couple dull days here in northern New Jersey with the weather, so summer's ending. We all love fall, but it is still depressing that this is kind of coming to an end.
What's your favorite month, Dillon?
My birthday's in August, which helps. And it is the end of summer, which is fun. Probably August. It is probably August.
That's a month, not a. Did I say month?
You said a month.
You
said a month. You said
I meant season.
Well, yeah. Look, it's any
campaign.
season. For me, it's like it's all around golf.
Yeah.
It's like what season am I playing the best golf? And it's summer or fall. So that's kind of where I'm at. But what about you guys? What favorite seasons, really quick?
Spring. It's perfect. There's nothing better than spring.
I'm a summer guy for sure. For me, it goes summer, then spring. Spring is awesome because it's like you're sick of the cold. Yeah. And then it starts getting warm. The first day you get to walk outside with a t-shirt on is the best day.
I actually summer's probably like my third favorite actually. Which I think I like hate the heat like that. There's something like perfect about like spring and fall where it's not like too hot or it's not too humid, but you can like go out in like that t-shirt and you're not cold or you're not like sweating, or you go somewhere where you're not, it's not like so hot. Yeah. And not every single building is like freezing cold that you go into because it's so hot outside. So now you're like hot outside, you go inside, and now you're freezing cold. It's like
when I lived in Florida, every single building it would be 100 degrees outside, but then you would walk into a building and they would just be pumping the AC. It'd be like 60 degrees.
Yeah. Yeah. I think all seasons are good. I like having 4 seasons being here in New Jersey. And I don't know if I want to ever give that up. Although New Jersey's, cost of living is making that difficult. Anyway, let's get into today's show.
Well, I think one thing we need to talk about, the steak and fries. We mentioned that on the last
show. You're right.
And you guys were not looking forward to it. Not that you weren't looking
That's not true.
You were nervous about it. You guys
were nervous about it.
It was the whole experience that you had set up, Thomas. It was, for dinner, a food truck, no table. We didn't have a table still. But
no, we didn't.
No, but it was it was a boxed dinner, but like it was about as elevated of a boxed dinner that you can eat on a public park bench as you're gonna have.
It was great.
It was great. For context, Thomas, again, our left and right hand man, been doing a great job, accomplished, a goal that we set out. We went to go celebrate. He's like, I want to hit this food truck. We did. Shout out. What's it called? We don't even know.
Colonial Grill.
Colonial Grill in Morristown, New Jersey. Been there 8-10 years.
Yeah, 8 years. But he really started blowing up like last year.
Yeah, they started making some content.
We talked to the owner when we were there, and he said it's a father-son duo. We talked to the owner. They said that they just recently started posting on their socials, and that's when they started to blow up. Now they have people driving over 2 hours to come try their steak.
Yeah, their sauce was so good.
Yeah, no, it was great. It was like a white garlicky like truffle sauce. It was really, really good. None of us grabbed a picture, I don't think, which is like really a shame.
I think we just started like eating as soon as we got.
I was so hungry.
Yeah, we were hungry, and they gave us a free sample of the fries to try the sauce, which was a very generous sample. Anyway, sorry to the people who aren't interested in this conversation, but really good food truck experience. Great job, Thomas. You'll probably mess up the next one. So let's get into it. By the way, it's 12 o'clock. We may be seeing some live trades here, hands-free.
Somebody share. Dillon, can you share yours?
Yeah, I'll pull mine up. Let's just get it going here. All right. So I'll share, and then we'll keep an eye on some hands-free trades being placed here. All right. Can you guys see my screen?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
How about now?
No.
Somebody bring it up.
Ben, can you bring it up? Oh, now we're up. We're up.
Okay. So first off, in my PeakBot account, I'm trading hate light mode. I'm trading trend spread. That's all I'm trading this week. And we can see I've had an up and down month here, but we're recovering nicely. So right now, these are all my positions. We'll keep an eye on orders up here. The trading window for trend spread did just open. What I'm expecting might not happen immediately, but what I'm expecting is orders to start being filled to close these contracts expiring here today, and opening up new contracts for next week as I still have them active here, right? So I'm in call and put spreads right now. I think I'm 5 for 5.
Amazon's close. You're teetering there.
Amazon's really close.
Yeah,
so we'll see what happens right now. I could get out of it. So everything else is in pretty good shape here. You can see I have 3 put spreads, 2 call spreads. At least for the underlying, I've run more contracts on the put side than I've ran on the call side. But right now, that's a nice week. We'll see how we close out and roll these contracts. I'll just refresh here again. If we do get any orders, I'll make sure that we show them here. So, all right, very cool. I don't know if any of you guys have any happening right now. I know we're doing a lot of testing. As anybody who might get our emails, we've been doing a lot of testing with new strategies, updates to current strategies. So that's where a lot of our capital is tied up. But Ben, Thomas, do you guys have anything worth showing?
I did have a bunch of trades go through on my smart spread strategy, which it's on a different broker. So
yeah,
have to be testing on all brokers, of course. I will be getting an entry at 12:15 Eastern on a new bot that we just launched. New bot, new white label partner, Big Daddy Max. I don't know if we wanted to get into that just yet, but we officially launched. Okay, so question, do we want to get into that or do we want to do trader trivia first?
Let's do
trader trivia because then we can talk about Max's bot all the way up until 12:15 and we can see the trade actually happen live.
Ben, am I going to get a reversal entry? Actually, that's a good question.
Even though you didn't get into the initial?
Yeah.
No, because you theoretically you started the bot after the initial entry was placed, right?
Yeah.
Then no, you shouldn't get an entry.
Unfortunate.
Okay, let's do trader trivia.
Sorry, Thomas.
It's all your fault.
It is my fault. All right, trader trivia. Let's get my screen shared. And if you guys were on the Trade Your Options Summit 2 Wednesdays ago, you would have seen us. We provided a little bonus for anybody that got the answer correct. And we wanted to do the same again today with this audience. So we've got a question on screen. And if you text the correct answer to 973-888-1166, we're going to send you a coupon code to get 3 free months of PeakBot. So if you've been tuning in and you're kind of like, oh, I'd like to try a trading bot, but you're not sure if you want to make that type of commitment, even though our bots are affordable. If you're not sure you want to make that type of commitment, well, come test drive us 3 months for free for answering a question right here, right? And I'm definitely leaving enough time for you to go out and Google the answer to this question. So I'll ask it. This is a layup for you guys. I know that for sure. But the question is, what is the maximum profit potential profit when selling a cash secured put option? Is it A, unlimited profit potential, B, the premium collected, C, the difference between the strike price and the stock price, or D, the stock's price or market price at expiration?
You know, of course, I feel like I know it, right? Of course, I know it. I should know it. I do know it, but there's still some part of me that's nervous that you're trying to screw with me, and my success rate here is low. Thomas, why don't I hand it to you?
I don't want to answer it. Why would I answer it?
Right. We're letting people text us. Let's
go to the did you know.
There.
Did you know? Did you know that the first electronic trading system, you might even say the first trading bot, was introduced in 1971? How many years ago is that? 53 years ago?
53. No, 55.
No, 60. Oh, yeah, no, 50. 50,
55.
53 years.
What? Oh, you're right. I can't math.
And NASDAQ became the world's first electronic stock market. And that was the foundation for algorithmic trading as we know today, both the kind that we do at PeakBot and high frequency trading, which we do not do at PeakBot. And we kind of knew this previously, but about 70% of trades in the market are executed by algorithms. So when you're competing in a market that's traded predominantly by robots and you're not using a robot, it's going to be hard to beat. So if you answer that question on the left correctly, you can try trading with a robot for free for 3 months. Are we ready for the answer?
Yeah, we're ready for the answer. And if you text us after the answer was revealed, we'll see what happens.
Well, wait, I kind of want to hear Dillon. What are you thinking?
B.
Okay.
The premium collected.
Yes.
All right. It is B, the premium collected. So anybody that texted that number on screen, where did it go? There it is. Anybody that texted B to 973-888-1166, we will send you back a coupon code for a free quarter, free 3 months of PeakBot.
Excellent. All right. Very cool. So great trader trivia. A great did you know? And if you texted us on the number on screen with the correct answer before being revealed or after, we'll get you a free quarter of PeakBot. So let me just check my. Oh boy, we missed all my trades.
We did. Oh man.
We're gonna see it though. We're gonna see them right now. You guys knew that I couldn't have been doing this. I was stumbling through trader trivia.
Share that screen.
Here we go. All right. So remember, I had all these going put credit spreads or call credit spreads expiring today. So we had that going on. A lot of them were closed, filled, and new ones were opened. So here's everything we got going on. If we scroll down here, we'll start to see new expiration dates with next Friday. So I'm bullish on Amazon next week. This is still the current order for CVX. You can see the new one, bearish again. We're keeping the trend here, it seems, for each week, which is, I like that. I like, the fact that I didn't have any swings to the other side. So yeah, all new orders entered. Anything that's still here expiring today is just because the value of that contract is so low that we're just going to let it expire. But yeah, all orders placed pretty much right as I stopped sharing screen earlier. That's what I'm seeing. So, but again, right. All trades placed here. Look, here's the PeakBot account. Every trade you see here active on trend spread, just placed. All right. We should clip this.
Bad month there, Dillon, huh?
Huh?
Bad month there, huh?
Well, you know what? Couple things. A, our results aren't 100% accurate. If I was to look at my Tradier results right now, which on the app it makes it easier, I'm up like $500 or $600 this month. So there may be some not 100% accurate data in there, but yes, regardless, it has been an up and down month for me, and that's what happens when you trade trend spread. Truthfully, right?
Yeah.
I mean, it is our bot that requires, I would say, the most attention. You really do want to be looking at that bot week to week. Others, like the wheel, you can certainly let go for a lot longer. Not financial advice. And iron condors depends upon how you feel about your volatility in the market and other things, of course. But so that was my portfolio. As you can see, I had them automated in my PeakBot account, and they were traded for me while doing this live show here. And if you want to get started and check that out yourself, just go to usepeakbot.com And you can get started super simple here on all 3 of our automated strategies. And if you're not using Tradier Pro for $10 a month, don't know what you're doing, commissions free options trading,
Need
get on
that.
there if you're
Need
not
that.
Need it. Okay. I think we have some PeakBot picks to look at.
Whoa. We're going to have an automated trade come through.
Oh, in a couple minutes here?
4 minutes on our new strategy, our new white label, new platform.
Talk about it a little more.
And that is, if anybody is familiar, and this person is a big personality online, Big Daddy Max. He is
options trading.
A professional options seller, one of the best in the world. He's affiliated with Stock Dads, the Stock Dads trading community. We've partnered up with Max, and we've been working with Max over the past several months to automate one of his favorite strategies. It's a 0 DTE or base strategy. And if you were just listening to us in the background and you're kind of doing something else, listen to this, because I know 0 DTE perked up your ears for a second. So Max has automated a 0 DTE strategy on SPX, which is great. 0 DTE, no assignments. And even if something were to go wrong, it's on SPX. So you're not even going to get assigned anyway. Contracts expiring today. You get into a position beginning of the day before 11 a.m. There's potential for risk mitigation entries throughout the day. There's stop loss, take profit built in. You can go to max.peakbot.com, get signed up. His strategy is $50 a month. Here's the overview. And I'll leave this on screen for a second while I take a look at something else. But this is his strategy. It's multi-directional. Honestly, it's, you doesn't matter what direction the market is headed. And I've been trading this strategy for the past several months, and there are definitely days where you get into a position at 10:30 a.m. and then the bot takes profit by 12 o'clock. So by lunchtime, you're in and you're out, you've taken profit. There's risk mitigation built in to the bot. So there's an automated stop loss. There's automated take profit that you can toggle on and off. I'm on Max's account right now, actually. So if I go home here, he's been trading this strategy manually over the course of the last year.
Look at that chart.
These are his results for the last year. Now that's an awesome equity curve. He's actually automating with $30,000 in this strategy today. And that equates to about 30 spreads. So we won't get into the details of all of that, but myself knowing what the criteria is for an entry and reversal entries, we are about to trigger a reversal entry in about a minute here. So we'll get to that, but fantastic equity curve. He started out last year trading with just $10,000, and he's grown this account, as you can see here, the realized P&L to over $35,000. So fantastic returns. He's seen fantastic returns doing this, testing this strategy out. It's been great. Warning, you will need, it's better to have rather an account over 25K for pattern day trading. There are opportunities for the bot to day trade whenever it takes profit or stops loss. And we'll see here a reversal entry come through. I'm going to see if I could give a countdown here, just because this bot is so precise. I'm going to go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Messing it up here, Ben.
There it is.
Oh, that was pretty close.
It's fast.
That was close. That was close. All right, I was a few seconds off.
Clip that. Clip that.
But that's pretty awesome, right? So I traded completely hands-free, right? I was a little off in my timing, but things went through great. So I got into a new position on SPX. So earlier today, the bot opened up a position on SPX, a put credit spread.
Zoom in.
It opened a put credit spread at the 57.05. It sold a 57.05 strike, and it bought the 56.95 strike. and I earned 15 cents in premium. Now I did 2 spreads, so I earned about $30 there. And currently the price is a little bit over $30. So seeing a small loss currently, but the price of SPX is still far, far away from this 57.05 price. We're trading at 57.42 right now. Now
I got the reversal entry.
Oh, okay. Yeah. That's good to know. We'll have to report that to the dev team.
Yeah.
Cool. So, well, you can still profit from that, Thomas. So
I'm looking forward to it, actually.
Good for you. You're welcome. So we've got this position, and now because SPX has pulled back slightly today, and it's only pulling back slightly. The bot decided, hey, let's mitigate some risk here. Let's get into a call side spread, so we can collect some more premium. We collected another 15 cents in premium, again, 2 spreads, so another $30. So between the call side and the put side, I've personally collected about $60 in premium. Now, what's going to happen is if the price of either of these spreads drops down to 5 cents, take profit will turn on for me. The bot will place a limit order at 5 cents to close these spreads. And I'll walk away with, the $60 minus the $5 to give back at 5 cents. I'll walk away with a $50 gain today. So that's the game plan. If the price of SPX goes too fast or too far in either direction, there's a stop loss built in. And the stop loss is built in to trigger whenever you are at $1 over the credit you earn. So if either of these spreads, the price of either of these spreads increases to $1.15, then the bot will send a stop loss order to get me out of that position. But again, we're mitigating the overall loss if there would be a loss, if by selling both sides here and collecting more premium. Now, Max's statistics from trading this for a year, and he does avoid certain economic days, which we've talked about for our bots too. For example, Monday, Jerome Powell is giving a speech on economic outlook. Max's bot's going to be paused. Yep. We might want to consider pausing our Iron Condor as well. We'll have to discuss that today if we want to do that. But on certain days like that, he won't trade. So Max has a high win rate. He won 90% of his trades last year with this strategy, year to year, August to August. So we are very, very excited to finally put this out into the wild. You can go to max.peakbot.com and get started for just $50. And if you're a current PeakBot subscriber, well, we're going to make it easy for you to use PeakBot on this domain as well. You can sign up for the PeakBot bundle at the same exact price as you get PeakBot on our website. You've got your basic, your standard, your pro. You've got the option to do quarterly or annual. For Max's 0 DTE strategy starts at $49 a month, and then moving up to the pro version, that's going to be about $70 a month, $69.99 per month. So really, really fantastic strategy. We've been working hard on this for many months now to get it absolutely right. Excited that we could finally launch this. Again, that's max.peakbot.com. Get started today. This bot trades every day, 0 DT, every day that there's not a major economic event. 0 DTE, 90% win rate is what we've seen in the past. Of course, past results are not indicative of future results. This is not financial advice. All the legal disclaimers. Hopefully that covers it.
Perfect. Excellent. Yeah. So very exciting new strategy. We've all been trading it, as Ben mentioned, and launched it. Max launched it last night as part of his mastermind, which he does from time to time, which are incredible. We can certainly share more info next time he does one of those. But there's a lot of interest. We've got a lot of people running the strategy already today after our launch last night. So very exciting stuff. We're going to continue to expand our premium strategies with our premium partners. So keep an eye out. Of course, now we have Max Options Trading, Big Daddy Max's 0 DTE bot. We have Bull Trade Finder and the Smart Spread strategy. And we have Freedom Team and the Cash Flow bot, all live on top of PeakBot's what is funny and ironically now being called our simple, strategies. So
we've got a fourth one coming too. It's an equity strategy. So we'll leave it at that. We'll tease it a little bit. Equity strategy. More details to come.
Squeezer.
Whoa.
All right. So
yes word.
Now, PeakBot picks?
Yeah, PeakBot picks.
Okay. I also think I think each of us need to track our live win rate as well. I'm saying that because I went 5 for 5 this week and now I want to do this. Right?
How do you know you went 5 for 5?
Live trades, trend spread. I went
5 trend spread. I'm
live trades last week.
You can do. I'm testing way too much.
We're always going to be testing, which is good, of course. But maybe I'll go up against Thomas. It's fine.
Why don't you do it? Beat yourself.
Yeah, you know what? I'll do it myself. 5 for 5. Here we go. Great start.
Listen, hey, you earned, what was it, 34% in 2023?
32 on the wheel.
32%. Beat that for 2024.
Yeah. Tough right now. Gonna be tough to do, but we'll see. I had a rocky couple months this year that really hurt me, but it's okay. We're back, and we're gonna be talking about this in a second. I actually, and we'll see if Ben or Thomas or anybody else follows suit. I'm gonna be coming up with rules for my own portfolio, a model portfolio, if you will, that slides with market conditions. Things that I may do to adjust my PeakBot portfolio if the market conditions change. I'm coming up with this. It's based around our 3 strategies and what percentage of my portfolio I would allocate to each of these strategies, as well as how I would go about personally selecting stocks from each of those bots' watch lists. So more to come on that. PeakBot picks. Did somebody win? Is this our first week doing this, all 3 of us together?
With the 3, yeah.
Okay.
All right. So we want to take a look at what we've got going on right now. Picks
our
for
current picks,
last week into this week.
Let's look at our current picks. I'm going to pull that up now, and then I'll just give you guys a look at the picks here, and then we'll pull up Ben's screen to look at the actual charts. So these were all selected on 9/20 last Friday, set to expire today. As we can see, we shifted the format. 3 picks each. What did we give ourselves? 5 minutes?
Yeah.
It wasn't 3 minutes, right?
5 minutes for 3 picks. That's what it was.
Okay. I had 2 bulls, 1 bear, and Ben and Thomas each had 1 bull, 2 bears. So you can see what strikes we're looking at here. I'm going to be reporting them to Ben, and we're going to pull up the screens live to see where we're at. Of course, this is not a done deal. And if it's been anything like the last few weeks, we'll have some that are very close to the money with a few hours remaining in the market here. So, Ben, let's pull up your screen. And let's do this. Yeah?
Let's do it.
All right. So, who's do you guys want to hear first?
Yours.
Great. Okay. Bullish TSLL, ticker TSLL. Put spread. I earned $11 in premium. I'm trying to stay above $10.50.
Above $10.50. You are well above $10.50.
Wow. Wish I took that trade. I mean, geez, that's a lot of movement. Okay, 1 for 1 so far. TNA, also bullish. Earned 41 in premium, trying to stay above $43.
Above 43.
Yeah.
All right. You're liking these levered ETFs, huh?
Yeah, they're not as volatile. Ticker MDLY. First time I've ever picked that stock. I actually forget what it is from being fully truthful.
Looks like Medley.
Okay, that makes sense.
I don't know if that's the company name, but
call spread bearish. Earned 15 in premium, trying to stay below 13.5.
Below 13.5.
Okay, hold the phone.
What was the ticker?
MDLY, which is what you have. This isn't good. This isn't good. Look at Thomas has been managing the Customer service line doesn't even know what's going on.
Yeah, wait, I'm kind of lost. Wait, what's going on here with MDLY?
I gotta find a
That couldn't have been the ticker. It's
Well, that's-
MBLY.
Wow, look at you.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
What was I trying to do on that though?
MD.
I was trying to stay below 13.5.
1350.
Not good.
Not good.
I deserve it. Okay. My bad. All right. Well, right now as it stands, 2 for 3 for Dillon. We're gonna move into Ben here. All right. So Ben, you want your bear or your bulls? Or your whatever? Which one do you want to go first?
Just go.
Okay, run, sun run, bullish, 16 in premium, over 17.5. Here we go.
Over 17.5. Bam.
Bang.
One for
Next.
one.
GME, nut job, call spread, bearish, 22 in premium, trying to stay below 23.
Oh, I did a call spread.
Yeah.
Bam.
Oh, close, but under. 2 for 2. DJT, bearish, $17. 41 in premium, trying to stay under 17.
I chose DJT.
Yeah,
Yeah.
It was actually the first one you chose.
Yeah, it was you were so excited about it.
And sorry, what was the strike?
17.
And I got to stay below.
That's correct.
Whew. Bam.
Super bearish.
3 for
Okay.
3.
3 for 3 right now for Ben. Let's go into Thomas here. We have Starbucks bullish, 25 in premium, $94 strike price. Trying to stay above 94.
94.
Nice job, Thomas.
Bam.
There we go.
All right. To the Bears. UPS, call spread, bearish, $37 earned in premium, trying to stay below 131. Can I get a 131?
131.
Not so much.
Oh.
I went
Not
with the
so
wrong one. You know, FedEx like plunged. I should have went
Yeah,
with
one or
FedEx.
the other.
What's FedEx ticker? FDI. I'm just guessing. I have no idea. That was it.
Oh, did it not plunge?
No.
I thought I saw something about it plunging.
It looks like
Actually, it
Oh,
did.
yeah, it
on the
did.
19th, but that wasn't this past week.
Oh no. Yeah.
Last one for Thomas. A fun one. Ticker SCHW.
Oh, that's the other S word.
That is the other S
Well,
word.
that was it.
Call spread, appropriate. Bearish, $19 in premium earned, $67 strike.
Well done, Thomas.
Thank you very much.
So as it stands, Ben is 3 for 3. Thomas and I are 2 for 3. We'll see what happens in the next few hours. None super close. None super close. Maybe your GameStop was kind of close, but okay. Well, now it's time. We got to make picks for this week.
New picks.
All right, new picks.
So I won. I get to choose the order, right?
You didn't win, but we will give you first.
No, we got to rock it out to see who chooses the order.
Oh, okay. Let's go, Thomas.
Right,
All right, I'm here.
Thomas. Is everything good on support?
Yes.
Hey, we're transparent here.
All right, Thomas could pick last. Actually,
Yeah,
Thomas, you let
I'm-
us know when it makes sense for you.
I'm ready for the rock, paper, scissors.
All right, ready?
Rock,
Rock,
paper, scissors, shoot. Oh my God, that's a
That-
total washout, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
what-
this is just
Yes.
Total
redo it.
wash. I'll
Alright,
say it.
Okay.
Rocks, paper, scissors, shoot. Total wash. Total wash. We're gonna be here for hours. Sorry, everyone watching. Ready? Rocks, paper, scissors, shoot.
All right, Thomas is
out.
out.
Thomas
Yes.
is out. Ben, ready? Rocks, paper, scissors, shoot. Unbelievable. I thought Ben was late there with that scissor, but
No way. It was timed perfectly on my screen.
late for me. Okay, who's going first, Ben?
Thomas, do you want to go first now, or do you want to go first?
Send me
No,
last.
you need to handle some
Send me
support
last.
chats.
Yeah.
Okay. Dylan, you go first.
Okay.
And then if it makes sense for Thomas to go, if he's got a 5-minute window, he can go.
Okay.
And then I'll go the other time.
Okay. All right. So here we go. So Ben, get a timer up for me. 5 minutes, please. I'm going to have my
Share your screen too.
Huh? I know I will.
Okay.
All right. I think I'm ready. Oh, wait, let's analyze SPY quick.
Sure. Why not?
That's what we've been doing.
Yeah, you're right.
All right, how about you analyze it? Let's all analyze it together. Let's look at the last 5 days.
I wanted to look at the month.
Okay.
So we're still bumping up on market highs right here. If we look past 3 months, we're, the 565 level has been a point of resistance. We're currently trading above that for about a week now, which is interesting to see. Now, last week we were in a situation where we were like, okay, well, we want to see if the market's going to move up or down and kind of choose direction once again, right? We've seen a lot of chop over the last 3 months. I mean, we've seen a change in direction here. So is that 4 times in the last 3 months? Really, when you're trading the trend, that gets kind of tough. And Dillon, we saw it on your account. It gets kind of tough to make profit during these types of time periods. So
yep.
I'm still like thinking, what direction is the market going to take? But we've been trading in this channel. I'll even say going back to the middle of September between 560 and 575, that $15 channel there, kind of neutral. Good time for some condors.
Okay. So can you look at the technical analysis?
Yes. So the technical analysis for the week looks pretty bullish.
That does. And then can you just look at the 5-day chart super quick for me, then I'm going to get started.
Yep.
Scroll up. All right. Okay. I think I'm ready.
All right.
On your marks. Here we go. Ready, set, go. All right. So I'm looking at the detailed trend spread watch list from our alert site here. Feeling bullish, right? Based off of what we saw there. It's a nice tight channel going in the right direction. Technical analysis looks pretty good. So I'm going to look. I like all these bulls here, low risk. I want to find decent buffer here. So this isn't, let's go. All right. So let's get down. Let's see I'm looking for some moderate or some green in this column here and bullish with the highest buffer. So we're still a ways from that. Let's see. Our first one was PepsiCo. It's neutral. I can select either direction. Maybe worth doing. So my sold put would be 167.5. I'm forgetting how little time we have here. This is outrageous. 167.5. That's not good. Okay, I can pick the bear side, but I don't want to do that right now. So dude, I might totally crash and burn here. This is crazy. All right, ABBV 190 sold strike. 190 sold strike. ABBV. I've traded that before. Okay. What did I say? Oh no. 190. Here we go. How we looking? How we feeling? That's pretty good. 5-day 190. Really nice spike there. Okay. That's in a channel. I don't think. Give me ABBV. Somebody writing this down.
Yep, I got you.
Okay. Bullish 190 sold strike, earning $22 in premium. Thank you. Okay. We're going to look at IBM 2175. IBM 2175. How am I doing on time?
You've got 3 minutes.
Wow, that's a nice chart. Okay.
You want to zoom in a little bit?
Yeah, sure. I can't believe you're asking me to do something like that in time like this. Okay. Just having fun out here. Oh, that's nice. Okay. IBM 217.5, 217.5, which is here. I feel really good about that. That's a nice. Wow, I might trade this. Okay, give me IBM bullish 217.50. $48 in premium. All right. Chevron screwed me last time, but I'm going to look at it again. 148 bullish. 148 bullish. How am I doing?
You got 2 minutes.
Absolutely not. Okay. Visa bullish. 272.5. 272.5. Is it ticker V? 272.5. This is interesting. I don't like it. How much time do I have?
1:15.
Okay. We're going to just really hope that we like Walmart at 78. Here we go.
You still got 1:15, right?
I like Walmart. I go to Walmart probably 2 or 3 times a week.
Yeah, it's more than that.
I actually don't know the last time I went to Walmart.
$78.
I live right across the street from a Walmart.
Oh, then that makes sense.
Walmart Supercenter too, so like grocery shopping.
Anything a nice grocery. I remember when they started that, like the Targets too. Now
all right, I like it. Walmart bullish.
Lock it in.
$78 sold strike. $16 in premium. Full bull. Call me the full bull.
Full bull.
Don't call me that. We still had Spy Outlook up on the screen this whole time, guys.
No.
We saw your screen.
Yeah,
no, but this was on the screen. The Spy Outlook banner.
Oh.
Oh yeah, the banner.
Right.
Well, listen, man, you're the banner man.
Person.
Thompson, I don't know what we're doing here.
Yeah.
All right, who's up? Give me my somebody.
Thomas, are you clear for 5 minutes, or you want me to go?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good for now.
You're good. All right.
Yeah. Oh wait, let me just pull up the watch list.
All right, Ben, you're logging these picks too. You'll give me mine later.
Yep.
Thomas, you can pull up your screen.
Yes, I am sharing it now. Oh, I accidentally closed out of the brokerage.
Unbelievable.
Out of trade. All right, hold on. 10-second delay. Okay, we're in. Sharing screen. Entire screen.
400 people watching, Thomas.
We're all good. We're here.
Okay. All right.
I'm starting the timer.
Okay, I'm ready.
It's going.
Oh, it's going. Oh, thanks. Okay. So I think I'm gonna go for 2 bullish, 1 bearish on the week, and my goal is to stay away from tech stocks. That's gonna be my goal. I do not want any. I don't want any tech stocks. So I'm already thinking XOM. It's moderate. I only got 5 minutes, Tom. I don't want to be left here with 15 seconds like you were.
Okay.
Okay, XOM. I think I'm ready to lock it in. Actually, I looked at the chart like earlier this afternoon, so
He's cheating, Ben.
It wasn't my fault. I looked at it for like a second.
All right. So what's your strike? Report it.
113 on the put side.
Ben, you getting this?
XOM
Sold put 113. $85 in premium. I might actually take that trade. Oh no, divided by 2. Iron Condor. Just call it like $40 roughly.
42.50.
Yeah. Well, you can't go 50 cents.
All right, what do you got, man?
All right, so that's gonna be the first one. After that, now I'm lost now. I don't like DoorDash. I used to trade it a lot. Is there like how's Johnson & Johnson doing? Bullish. 160.
Three minutes, 15 seconds.
Lock in Johnson & Johnson at 160.
Yeah, that's nice.
That's a good one there.
That was bullish. How much premium?
Bullish, $40, 160.
160, 160?
160 is the strike price. Yep. Wow, this is going
All right,
pretty
now
good.
you can zoom in since you got all the time in the world.
You got 3 minutes left.
I got so much time now. All
Why
right.
don't you zoom in, man?
Oh, you're right.
We're not. That's what I've been saying this whole
All
time.
right, we're good here.
I don't know if it's getting any better. Just
No.
continue. It's not. Just you don't even.
you wanna like
that,
that?
just
Yes. There you go. You got to
Okay.
pinch to zoom.
And you know what? I'm going to do it again. We're going to go short on Schwab.
I'm not mad anymore. I'm all of a sudden not mad anymore.
All right, we're doing it again. We're going short. 66 is the strike price. And I'm getting $22 in premium. Call strike price.
Love it.
Look at that.
You got 2 minutes on the clock.
Look, he's doing it for the people. Let's keep moving.
I'm good.
All right. Good. Get back to that sport chat.
Ben, I'll get a timer going for you. 5 minutes.
Please.
Let me know when you're ready.
Whoa. Let's hit it.
Ready, set, go.
All right. So I am going to start out on PeakBot Alerts looking at the detailed trend spread watch list here. I'm going to sort this watch list just because I have a limited amount of time by buffer. I want high buffers here. DJT, look at that. I was bearish on it last week. Am I going to be bearish on it again this week? Currently trading right around $15. Strike price at $17.50. Would have to see a 16%, 17% increase. Lock me in. I'm going for it again.
Dude, I'm not even looking at the chart. DJT.
I'm not looking at the chart.
Bearish. What? Give me the strikes in the price in the whatever.
Strike price is $17.50. Premium is $36.
Unreal. Okay.
I would never take this trade.
Very high risk trade, but
I'm
you're
doing
also
it for the
looking for a
people.
wide buffer. I get it.
Yeah, exactly. You're going to get very high risks with the wide buffers.
This is what I did.
Well, that's never mind. That was ROI. I saw 29%. I thought that was crazy.
ROI doesn't matter as much in this game.
No, you're right.
All right, we'll stick with the very high. Why not?
Dude,
We've
I'm
got,
this guy's
man, a lot of bearish. I want a bullish.
That one's
XPED, remember when we traded that back in the day? Okay, Cassava Science bullish, trading at 27.75-ish, 25.50. I do want to take a look at Sava.
I'm not mad at it. I like these.
Sava. I think Sava underperforms on our wheel strategy.
Yeah, that would make sense.
25.50. Oh yeah, we'd have to break through all of this support right here to get to 25.50. Lock me in for Sava, Cassava Science,
Bearish.
at a 25.50. No, bullish.
Okay.
25.50 strike, and it would be $40 in premium.
Okay.
How much time I got?
I'll check. 2 minutes and 50 seconds.
Wait, what was that?
2 minutes and 50 seconds.
Oh wow, okay.
We're just like breezing through this. You know, Dillon goes first all the time in the world here.
Let's see. Let's go down to, you know what? Let's be responsible. Let's go for low risk.
Now we're talking.
Low risk.
Because you're switching your game. You just went from, hey, high buffer, don't care about the risk level, just a lot of breathing room, to now let's go less volatility. What do you got?
Yeah, let's do it. Like 3M. Does 3M even move?
I was looking at it.
Bullish. You looked at it?
No, I mean I wanted to, but I didn't.
135 strike, currently trading at 137, almost 138. Yeah, let's look at it. This would be a bullish play. We've got a bullish chart on our hands.
See what I did there, Thomas?
Bullish. Bullish since whatever happened here. I'm guessing that was earnings.
That is a nice chart.
135 strike, was it? Is that what I said?
If that's the case, I'm taking that trade right now.
135 strike. Yeah, lock me in, man.
I'm taking that trade.
We'd have to drop all the way down here. Now, granted, 135 looks like a point of resistance. Bam, bam, bam.
Wow, yeah. Could
turn into a point of support. But we've been above this level all week, and I think it looks decent. I'm going to do that. So I'm going to take that.
What's the premium on that?
So strike price was 135. Premium is $30.
Nice. Okay. So that's Ben. Selected on 9/27, expiring 10/4. Over. Cool. All right. Ben, let me give you your picks since you have all the other picks down, and then you can send me all of them.
Okay.
Ready?
Yes.
DJT, bearish, 17.5, $36 earned in premium.
Okay.
Sava, bullish, 25.5, $40 in premium.
Okay.
And then Triple M, bullish, $135, strike, $30 premium.
Nice. That's about $106 in premium right there.
Pretty good.
We got Thomas coming in at $147 in premium. And then Dillon, you're coming in at
less.
86.
Yeah. All right, low risk. I'm just trying to, hit singles here.
Premium doesn't matter for this game.
Yeah, it doesn't. All right. Ben, send me those pics wherever you got them, and I'll come up and put them on socials and Twitter and everything else. Great job, guys. I think, great show. I don't think we need to do this today, but I think we're going to be doing it more so on the lives moving forward. Again, just to mention, I'm going to be coming up with rules for my portfolio for myself to follow. I did that last year. I followed my rules and I had a nice return. You want to know what I didn't do this year? I didn't follow my rules,
Dylan.
And I don't have a great return. So I'm coming up with rules. I'm going to stick to them. I may change the rules. I may often change the rules based on market conditions, but I'm making rules. So I want to share that with everyone. Ben and I had a great conversation with one of our partners about how to manage your automated portfolio. Of course, not financial advice, and brought to light a lot of good stuff that we want to share with everyone. So anything else from you guys?
I don't think so.
Okay. Thomas is on the customer service line anyway, so it's fine. And even if that's not what you were doing, we're going to,
I am indeed. I'm in Slack right now, so close enough.
That's good. All right, guys. Well, just to wrap it up, again, 0DTE SPX bot from Max Options Trading, Big Daddy Max, $49, $49.99, so $50 a month, max.peakbot.com, 90% win rate when traded manually, 300% annual return on ROI. That does not mean it's going to do that again. Not financial advice, but check it out. We got some music going out here. Thank you, everyone. We'll see you Monday, 8:30 a.m. Eastern on the Tradier Hub and our socials. We will see you at the peak. Thank you very much.
You know how the financial world goes. Here comes the buzzkill. Please make sure to take some time to read this boring disclaimer. We will owe you one.